Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips. In this video we're going to take a look at overflowing text here in Adobe Express. Here you can see that I'm working on a quick Adobe guide that covers the basics of history of Adobe. And I have some type. I realized that I need to add another paragraph, and so I've copied that paragraph from a Word document, and I'm going to go in here and paste that in. If I paste it in, you can see that there's now a red line at the bottom of my type. This indicates that there's not enough room for my text. I could change the size of my font, but instead, I'm going to choose this little plus button right here, and it will allow me to overflow my type. If I select plus, it gives me a new box, and then I can resize that box to fit into the space. Additionally, I can change the size of the box after doing this to allow for more space. If I do that on the original text piece, we can see that that type will automatically move back into the first column. Additionally, if we add additional spaces or type, it will continue to overflow from one column to the next. This is a really handy trick if you're laying out type here in Express. Well, that's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.